Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you guys are alright, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your watch history into Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check what you have watched in your Crunchyroll account, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application at first. And after opening the Crunchyroll application, it will give so many options at this homepage, and amongst them you will find this My List option. Just simply click into that option and then you will directly get the history option just beside the Crunchy lists into here. In order to find what you have watched, also known as history, just simply click into this option, and after that you will get your Crunchyroll history into here. By following these very easy steps, you can also get your Crunchyroll watch history into your own device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.